What's up YouTube, it's Elite Eli and I'm coming to you guys again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash and style your hair while wolfing. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, guys, and I hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving. I sweated out my hair because it was very hot because the oven was on all day and whatever, so my hair got sweated out. So today I'm going to wash my hair. Right now it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. You know, everybody's sleeping, it's very quiet, I have privacy, and like, you know, that's the best time to wash your hair when you got the bathroom alone to yourself. It's a good time to wash it. And so first, and let me show you guys what I'm working with. And by the way, if you like this off-white durag or any other durag that you guys see in my video, I'll be leaving a link in the description for that. You get that at swagrag.co, and I'll be leaving my coupon code Elite Eli for 10% off. Comb your hair out, what you want to do is wet your hair. And after you brush that in, you want to rinse it out. Get your shampoo. The next morning, I washed my hair around 1 o'clock in the morning, and then I waited for it to dry, so I went to sleep about 5. It's about 12, 1 in the afternoon. Can't remember what time it is. Tired, but let me show you guys the results.